Not so much.
Hey, Jasper.
Jasper. There's more. You want to put more gumballs in?
You want to put this one in?
That's a good one.
Put this one in?
Jasper. Jasper. Where's it go? Where's that one go? Where's it go? Where are you going to put that?
Yay!
Push. You going to push? Push. Push. Good job.
Let's slide it a little more this way so that he's in the sun too and see what that does.
Good job. You can do it again? Push.
Says bright, Mommy.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and do it one more back up so we're all the way in the shade and see if there's a difference.
Okay.
I'll just keep it running.
You did pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep, it's all
Well, I guess it is a little dusty underneath. Oh well. That's all right.
just as I suspected.
I was looking here.
Okay. Oops. We don't want to put feet in there. Jasper. Gumballs. We've got to put it in. We got to put it in first. There's nothing in there that I know of. Where's the ball go? Where's the gumball go? Gumball. Jasper. Where's Jasper? There's Jasper. Go put it in here. Go. Push. You want to put this one in? Push. Jasper.
So I'm done, I think.
Yeah, I think so.